Spanish interpreter, please.
Present.
Mr. Lara, you speak English?
Spanish, please.
¿Habla usted inglés, señor Lejera?
No, español.
No, Spanish.
You're charged with battery on a health medical care provider and indecent exposure.
Muy bien, señor. Buen día. Usted está enfrentando acusaciones de agresión física a un proveedor de salud mental y además de exposición indecente o exhibicionismo.
I don't see criminal history, but based upon the facts of the case, state's requesting a bond. Standard is 5,000, count 1, 500, count 2.
No veo ningún historial delictivo, pero basados en la descripción de los hechos, la fiscalía está solicitando fianza preestablecida. En el cargo número 1 serían de 5,000, en el cargo número 2 de 500.
I find probable cause. I'm issuing a stay away order.
Hay un motivo fundado, por tanto, voy a emitir una orden de alejamiento.
Madam Prosecutor, I apologize. Your recommendation is 5,000?
5,500.
Very well.
Se rectifica la recomendación de la fiscalía en cuanto a los 5,500 de fianza.
And I impose those bonds.
Y así se impone.
Good luck to you, sir.
Buena suerte, señor.
Christopher Lara.
Judge, are you indicating who he's supposed to stay away from?
Pregunta a la defensa, su señoría, de quién indica
Yeah,
usted
sure.
que él tiene que estar alejado.
Of the nurse that was at his house.
The victim's initials are MV.
M as in mother, V as in Victor.
De la enfermera que estaba en su casa, cuyas iniciales de la víctima son MV.
Christopher Lara. Mr.
Spanish,
Lara, you're before the court charged with criminal mischief and battery.
Spanish, Miss Corey. Señor
Yes.
Lara, usted está ante este tribunal enfrentando acusaciones de daños a la propiedad, Your Honor, criminal mischief and what else?
Battery.
Y agresión física.
So Judge, the criminal mischief, I didn't see an amount of damage, so that would make it a second degree misdemeanor.
Indica la fiscalía, su señoría, en cuanto al delito de daños a la propiedad, no vi que se indicase el valor de los supuestos daños, por tanto, eso lo convertiría en un delito menor de segundo grado.
The defendant.
Second page, third paragraph. It's
Oh, I'm so sorry, Judge.
iPhone Pro Max value $1,450.
All right. But
There's
I know Ms.
nothing
Corey usually
indicating that
says.
the amount of damage, just that
Like,
the
take it to
phone was
the-
valued at $1,450. So if you have a $10,000 car and you get a scratch on it, it means it just needs to get fixed with the scratch, not to replace the entire car.
La respuesta de la defensa es que no hay ningún indicativo acerca del monto en dinero, el valor de los daños causados. El hecho de que aparezca el valor del teléfono como 1450 no indica que ese es el monto de los daños. Es como tener un auto que cueste $10,000 y entonces tiene un arañazo. Hay que reparar el arañazo, no el valor entero del auto.
For the time being, the allegations are that the screen and the back part of the phone was broken.
Entendido, pero las alegaciones es que tanto la pantalla como la parte trasera del teléfono resultaron rotas, o sea, se rompieron.
In any event, I'm going to set a misdemeanor type bond. What's the recommended bond state?
It would be 150, count 1, 1,000, count 2.
Se le pregunta a la Fiscalía cuál es la recomendación de cargos teniendo en cuenta lo mencionado de acusaciones de fianza, perdón. 150 cargo número 1, 1000 cargo 2.
I'm gonna set the bond at $150 on the on the criminal mischief, rather. $1,000 on the battery and a stay away order. He is to have no contact with Alarcon Caring.
With who, Your Honor, for the interpreter?
Alarcon Caring.
Thank you. Entonces, señor, se establece la fianza para los daños a la propiedad de $150 y $1000 en cuanto a la agresión física, y además se le ordena que usted tiene que estar alejado de Alarcón Caring.
Matthew Miller. Mr. Miller, you're before the court charged with criminal mischief over $1,000, trespassing after warning, resisting without violence.
So I believe there's PC on everything. The defendant is listed as homeless. He has a recent prior for theft from May of this year. I also see priors out of Texas requesting a bond. State's request is 2,500 count 1 and 500 on 2 and 3.
Judge, Mr. Miller does not have funds for a bond. I would ask if you would consider the TAP program.
No, I don't want that. This lady's asking for stuff I don't want.
Okay, one moment.
The bond will be 2,500, 500, and 500. Darrell McKay. The old adage applies. You can lead the horse to water, you can make him drink. I think the next person is Darrell McKay.
Judge, what was the ruling on Mr. Miller?
2,500, 500, 500.
Okay.
Thank you.
This gentleman, who's he here for?
Mr. McKay? Mr. McKay is present.
Good morning, Mr. McKay, or actually, good afternoon. You're charged with altering a firearm by removing the serial number, carrying concealed firearm, attempted possession of firearm under a domestic violation of violence injunction.
So Judge, and then there's the other case, which is possession of a short-barreled
Shotgun or machine gun, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so state's requesting a bond. The only PC issue I saw is for removing the serial number. I think it's a misdemeanor unless we can show that he's the one who actually removed the serial number.
Correct.
So state's request in case ending in 9-6 is 7,500. In 9-7, it would be 500, 2,500, and 500.
I find probable cause for the possession of a automatic weapon, which is essentially what you're charged with for having the extended magazine with the machine gun conversion device attached to the Glock. With regards to number 1 of 397, what was your recommendation, ma'am?
A misdemeanor bond, it would be 500.
Counts 2.
So it would be
20.
500 count 1, 2,500 count 2, and 500 count 3.
So I will agree to that. 500 count 1, 2,500 count 2, count 3, 500, and on the other one already stated 7,500. Robert Brandenburg.
He's en route, Judge. Can we pass?
What was your question, ma'am?
Corrections needs to pass. They're working on getting him.
Brandenburg, you need a pass?
Right, corrections is trying to bring him forward. They need a second.
Gonna pass
Okay.
for 40, Judge. Mr. Brandenburg, we're gonna pass, and Mr. Alfred, we're gonna pass.
So we should be on Martinez Lambanino.
He's a
Sabanino, right.
bond out.
Bonda, okay? So corrections, is this Mr. Cardona before the court?
Should be, yes.
Kevin Cardona.
But Mr. Cardona is present. We'll need the Spanish interpreter, please.
You're charged with dealing in stolen property, petty theft, two counts of each.
Muy bien, señor. Buenos días. Usted está enfrentando acusaciones de haber estado negociando con artículos hurtados y además de hurto en menor cuantía, 2 cargos por cada uno de estos.
These are added charges, state's recommendation on both cases, 5,000 count 1, 150 count 2.
Estos son acusaciones adicionadas. La recomendación en cuanto a fianza por parte de la fiscalía es 5,000 y 150 respectivamente en ambos.
And I'll follow that recommendation. Your bonds are 5,000 on each first count and 150 on counts 2.
Muy bien, entonces yo voy a acatar esa recomendación. Su fianza, señor, queda 5,000 en ambas primeras acusaciones y además 150 en las segundas acusaciones.
And to stay away from Harbor Freight.
Y tiene que estar alejado, tiene una orden de alejamiento de Harbor Freight, la tienda Harbor Freight.
Matthew
Corrections
Maradiaga.
needs a hold for Broward.
Thank you.
Corrections.
Matthew,
He's a Broward County fugitive. It's an added charge.
Además, correccionales corrobora de que usted tiene una retención por orden de fugitivo de parte del condado Broward.
can I be a mean person? Why would we care?
Ms. Corey likes to know the whole picture.
Oh, okay.
It's fine.
I'm sorry, I missed it.
Matthew Mariaga.
He's present, speaks English.
Great. You're charged with burglary of a conveyance.
These are added charges, requesting standard bond of 2,500.
You're above 2,500. Philip Jackson. Officers, I think we're waiting for Philip Jackson. Is he available? I mean, I truly don't know how you can get through these calendars with so much. empty space.
Judge, if you want to go back on the ones that we passed, they are here. Robert,
Corrections, who do you want to call?
I mean, whoever
Brandon?
comes up to the podium, we will handle them if anybody
Okay.
wants to come up to the podium.
I think it's Mr. Brandenburg that they're bringing next. He's on page 13.
13.
How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm doing well. I hope you are too.
Not really.
Well, I wouldn't be doing that well if I were wearing green and be in jail either, so
I just want to get home to my mother, man.
I feel your pain.
Thank you.
Corrections is an added charge.
Regrettably, you are out on bond on cases, and on July 21st,
I think these are added charges, Judge. Corrections, is that correct? Mr. Brandenburg, number 40.
yes, ma'am, they are. You're here on grand theft out of July 21st. Attempted vehicle theft of the motorcycle by cutting the locks on the motorbike. I find probable cause.
Standard bond is 2,500.
Your new bond will be 2,500.
Is there a hold for division or just an added
I
charge?
think it's added, right, corrections?
Oh, it's out on bond, so I'll hold for the division with Judge Miranda.
Judge, he's already in custody. It's added charge.
They're just added charges. That was on there.
Well, somebody, okay. Never mind. I'll stop
Hold.
reading the post-its. Jerry Allred. Where are you going?
Corrections, is he gonna be on Zoom?
Okay, go ahead.
Or is he coming?
No, he's present now.
Okay, perfect.
I'm scared.
I realized that. Somebody was talking about Jerry Allred?
He's coming.
He's
Okay.
present, Judge. Just the added charge.
So Jerry Allred has this is an added charge?
Correct, Judge.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
So he was sentenced to life in prison. State's requested a $2,500 bond on this case.
I'll set a $2,500 bond on your added charge of criminal mischief by breaking the security camera. I believe the next person is Philip Jackson. How long ago did they stop doing, or maybe it's been like this for decades now? First appearances like this in person.
I'll be honest, I've only been here a year, so I don't know when that actually started.
When we started, it was already.
Because, if I were in person, these people will be moving a lot faster through the podium. Is Philip Jackson in the building?
All right, let's talk about that. We had a docket full of colorful moments, but one that stuck with me was the appearance of Kevin Cardona before Judge Jon Mason. This hearing was a textbook example of calm efficiency paired with just enough human edge to make it memorable. Judge Mason, as always, kept a steady hand on the wheel firm, but never flustered, even as the Spanish interpreter was brought in to assist Mr. Cardona. The defendant, for his part, seemed cooperative, if a bit resigned, as he stood before the court facing charges of dealing in stolen property and petty theft. Judge Mason didn't let the language barrier slow things down. He gave Mr. Cardona the full benefit of a clear translation, confirmed the charges, and issued bond in line with the state's recommendation, $5,000 for the primary count and $150 for the lesser one. It was professional, no nonsense, and free of drama, which, is more than we can say for some other moments on this docket. One thing I always appreciate is how Judge Mason handles the added charges and logistical quirks like clockwork. He didn't overreact, didn't underplay, just listened, processed, and moved the hearing forward. Even the stay-away order from Harbor Freight was issued without missing a beat, and the interpreter made sure the message landed. You could tell from the courtroom flow that everyone had a role and was sticking to it. The prosecutor was succinct. The defense had no objections, and the vibe was neither tense nor chaotic, just procedural. We also saw a few chuckles between cases, like when someone commented about wearing green and sitting in jail not being a great day. Judge Mason gave a short, dry reply, but you could sense the humanity beneath the robe. It's these little moments of levity amid the grind that keep things grounded. So, in all, this wasn't the most explosive hearing we've seen, but it was a great example of what competent courtroom management looks like. Clear charges, calm defendants, and a judge who balances firmness with professionalism. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one,